If you've ever needed to type letters with accent marks in Microsoft Excel, Word, or PowerPoint, this video is going to make that process quick and easy. Whether you're writing in another language, formatting names correctly, or just need special characters for a project, I'll show you the simple steps to insert accented letters without guessing or copying from somewhere else. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, click on the text area where you want the accented letter to appear. This could be inside a Word document, a PowerPoint slide, or a cell in Excel if you're working with text there. Once your cursor is in the right place, go up to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. The Insert tab is where Microsoft Office keeps many of the tools for adding extra elements into your file, including symbols and special characters. After clicking Insert, look for the symbol option. In most versions of Microsoft Office, you'll see it on the far right side of the toolbar or in the Symbols section. Click Symbol and then choose More Symbols from the drop-down menu. This will open a full symbol window with lots of different characters, fonts, and special letters available. Now, in the symbol window, scroll through the list or browse the character map until you find the accented letter you need. This could be an accented vowel like A, R, U, or any other special character, depending on the language or word you're typing. Take your time and select the exact accented letter you want, so your text looks correct and professional. Once you've selected the accented letter, click Insert. The character will be added right where your cursor is placed in your document, slide, or spreadsheet. After inserting it, you can close the symbol window and continue typing normally. If you need more accented letters, just repeat the same process as many times as needed. It's a simple method, but it's very useful when you want accuracy and proper spelling in your work. And that's how you get letters with accent marks in Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick Microsoft Office tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.